Just want to give a bit of a review on this new saddle that I've added to my bike. It's a carbon 3D printed. Now, I was a bit skeptical when I first purchased it. They're not cheap, and I thought carbon rails with a carbon base, that doesn't sound like it's going to be a good thing. But I've done 6 months on it, and it has got to be probably one of the best purchases I've ever made in over 30 years of riding. We'll say it's very comfortable. It is extremely solid. There is absolutely no flex in those rails. Plenty of adjustment. It's come off with me on it. There's a little mark there, but the structure is so well put together. I would have to recommend for your next saddle. Now, this is from my original 25-year-old Ellsworth. It's a leather velo with titanium rails. Now, these things are awesome. They do the job beautifully, but I thought I was on a good thing with this. I used to go through chromoly rails. They bend after 6 months, and into the bin they'd go, and then I found titanium, and it was brilliant. But the weight difference between that saddle and this one is basically half, and the comfort would have to be 4 times as good. So if you're considering a new saddle, carbon 3D printed, cannot go wrong. Just going to have to pay for it. I'll do an update on the handlebars in another video.